Hey guys, it's Nate. I'm doing the Options Locator March 7th newsletter review. So starting out, we had Disney. It was a pretty good day, pretty good start to the week on Monday. Broke out this downward trend line here, and then it made new highs on Monday. Pretty good effort there, and then it went double inside day, and then it kind of fizzled out. So really, all three of these days are inside of Tuesday. So once it made that move on Monday with new highs, not much there to follow. So just keep an eye on that one this week as well. ET, it broke out, got up here into this gap again. Couldn't quite get up to 955. Had some resistance, from here and here. So I ran into resistance, but still pretty good day. I mean, this day alone was a 6.5% move. So pretty good overall action. Saw some sweeping activity in it. So continue to keep that one on watch for a longer term move. Gold, it broke out, but then it just kind of, stair-stepped its way. Not really doing a whole lot, but it also didn't break down. I still like this gap up here. You can take this one for a longer term swing and some commons and get, look for a 7 to 8% move there. IBM, a really good breakout. It confirmed the gap entry once it broke this downward trend line, got over 125, went inside day. They're like, hey, let's just wait a minute on this move, and then they took it back up. So I'm pretty happy with this move this week. Didn't quite get the complete gap fill, but a very strong and noteworthy move there. Mastercard, tremendous move, new highs, broke out of this downward trend line here to start the week. Right off the bat, made new highs Monday, and then just continued to work its way up, taking the inside day up on Thursday there. So really good move. Would like to see a push towards 400 up in this area here. If we can get a solid move. I don't know if more people spending money on their credit card or what because of the stimulus. Maybe think about this one for a 400 magnet soon. MOS, it also saw some sweeping activity this week. Went right to our target of 3401 there. So good move. Now ultimately we're still looking for this 3737 move. But good breakout over 3105. Good move here. This was almost 7.5% move here. So from our entry to target area breakout, so we're looking almost a 10% move there. So really good move this week. Hope you're able to catch that one. OSK, couldn't really get going, still sideways. Still all of this is inside these two candles. So now if you want to look for a move, I look for it over this high here, 116.32. So it broke out on Monday, couldn't confirm it, came back in. So now we're looking at getting over that high of 116.32 for a push to 120 to continue to keep that one on watch. RTX broke out. It had a red day here on Tuesday, but it held up okay. And then we got over 78, which was the longer, the goal there. So not a bad move overall. You may have been stopped out on Tuesday, but once it reconfirmed this downward trend line, went green on Wednesday, you still could have made a decent move there. SLB, kind of sideways, really needs to break out over 30. It's holding this upward trend line slightly below it on Friday, but continued flow in that name as well. So see if they can get a solid push over 30. So just continue to watch that one. SOS, holding this upward trend line, couldn't get over 8. So now look, couldn't really get over 7. So now move this down to 7 and see if you can get a nice push over 7 as long as this upward trend line holds. T was a really good breakout on Monday. Got over 30, and then these next 3 days all went inside the original breakout, and then they had their investor day on Friday. Made a really good move, but they couldn't hold it, and then they put in a nice little nasty shooter there. So we'll see if they can really confirm 30. I mean, obviously 30 is a big number, mental number for this small stock. So we'll see if we can get a solid push over 30 moving forward. TBT broke out, then it pulled back, and then it broke out again. So not a whole lot there. Like I said, not going to be a barn burner. It worked for some, maybe it didn't. So not a whole lot loss or gain there. Uber triggered on Monday with this wick here, but it couldn't confirm it. Went inside day. Then this was really the entry, was the inside up move here. Once it came back to this downward trend line here, taking the inside day up, it's an 8% move there, essentially from Tuesday's high to Friday's high. Now, this week you're going to be looking for 64. Visa, very similar to Mastercard, held this upward trend line, went inside day up, inside week up to start the week, brand new highs. And then in the midweek review, said that it was, they really needed to confirm a breakout over 225 since these 2 days were inside this day on Monday. So once it broke 225 on Thursday, we caught a really nice breakout there for new all-time highs once again. So yeah, I'm pretty happy with this move overall this week. X turned out to be honestly the play of the week. Inside day up, along with through the downward trend line. Met every target. Now we're looking for a target of 24.71 or 25 on the week. From the breakout, you're looking at a 32% move. So really happy with that. Even if you got in, let's say around 1976, you're still looking at a 25% move on the week. So really happy with that move. Not a single red day on it all week. Just continue to grind it out. Really held up well under 6 or around 16 here. So really worked out very well for us. Big had a nice breakout come Monday. Went inside day. All 3 of these days are inside Monday's candle, and then tried breaking out again late Friday. Looks like it's going to get some resistance here around 69, so it needs to make a decent push over that. So good day on Monday though. This was over almost a 7% day on Monday. DBX, everybody seemed to be jumping on the bandwagon on Friday, but we were already well ahead of the curve. It triggered for us on Monday. So, I mean, even with this breakout, you're looking at around 15% move from the 23.55 entry. So you take 23.55 on Monday, triggers up, and like I said, it's about a 15% move there, right on the money there. So, not a bad move for the week. Hope you took it. There was some more chatter about it yesterday. Noted that in the newsletter last week. So overall, pretty good move with Dropbox. Facebook, big outside day on Monday. But these, it went inside day to outside day, but both of these candles were inside of last Thursday's candle. Held 253.50. Couldn't break over the downward trend line. It did on Tuesday though. Very nice move. And then it continued up. Now it's an outside month because it got over 276.60. So a little bit of a hammer on Friday, but the real move was this was a very good move on Thursday. I mentioned in the chat it needed to confirm 270. It did, basically first thing Thursday morning, and then it just continued grinding out. So once it confirmed 270, it went for almost 8 points to the high a day. So a very nice overall move there. UNP re-triggered the alert on Monday first thing. It triggered here last Friday. I reset the alert, triggered yet again. A lot of wicks, a lot of upper wicks here, but it, stair-stepped it up all week. Not quite to my 220 target, but about halfway there, 217.50, which is a lot of this area here, so that's going to be some resistance. But overall, pretty good move there. And then ones that didn't make the newsletter, AGIO, decent move. I was looking for confirmation over 50 there. BABA broke out that downward trend line, but it really needs to make a solid push over 240 to confirm anything moving forward. CSX, along with UNP, decent move. Not a lot going on there, but pretty decent overall. CRK, not much there. I mean, had a good day here on Wednesday, and this was almost a 10% day. But all this is still stuck inside these couple candles here. So see if we can get a bigger move out of all this. Over 650 would be ideal. 650 to 7 would be a decent move there. 8. Again, not a lot there. Held up okay. Held 32. As long as it holds 32, looking for a move over 36. And 3M, really good breakout Monday. Then came back, tested the breakout, and then went inside day up. So now we're looking for a move over 186 and then over 187.27. And that's it. Pretty good week overall. Hope you guys had a good week. I'm about to do the upcoming newsletter video. Going to do 2 separate videos. That way they're not all jumbled together. Hope you guys had a good week. I think it was a pretty good week overall with the newsletter. Not everything broke out, but a lot of things did. A lot of things broke out early on Monday, which is unusual that so much broke out. So you had a lot to choose from to start your week off. I think it started off pretty well. And I'm looking forward to this upcoming week. All right, thanks, guys.